रिमूव मैम।
Yes,
हाँ सर, मार्क हैं बुक्स।
tell us your name
सर, I am Debabrata Maharana,
and your roll number for this exam.
305104.
Give us a brief introduction.
Sir, I am Debabrata Maharana from Malkangiri. I have completed my matriculation and 12th from Malkangiri and my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Bhubaneswar, Gandhi Institute for Technology under Biju Patnaik University of Technology, and currently I am working as a Assistant Manager CNS in Airports Authority of India. Currently posted at Bhubaneswar Airport.
Okay. Are you doing job somewhere?
Yes, sir. In Bhubaneswar Airport, sir. Airports Authority of India CNS department, sir. Currently at Bhubaneswar Airport.
This is what's your job?
So it's a CNS, sir. Actually, it's called like communication, navigation and surveillance. So we deal with all the communication and navigation setup that has been intended for the safety of aircraft and the passengers, and that streamlines the communication between the air traffic controllers and the pilots.
Yes. You are interested in joining West.
Yes, sir.
Why? What are the considerations?
So,
Why do you become this job?
so for last almost 6 years I am in this job currently under Airports Authority of India. This is a technical job, sir, so last 6 years I am doing this one, and I find it little more monotonous because every day we are doing the it remains the same, and so in my job there is no direct I don't have any direct opportunity to do anything for them, so if I really need to do for any marginalized sections also, and we don't have any kind of public interaction. If we really intend to do something for the public also, directly we can't do. So indirect sense, obviously we are doing for the benefit of the public at large, but that also one of the reason. And I belong to one most backward and tribal district. So after coming into this job, when I came across what are the opportunity for an administrative person, so I am got little more interested. Okay, if I join this service, then it will be more dynamic, and I'll have a better opportunity to at least do justice to, if not large, at least a some section of the marginalized person. So these are the two factors that motivated me for preparing this one.
Some section of marginalized person.
So
What is that? Marginalized person. Exactly what you mean?
So it means for say if I am quoting an example, maybe the tribals or the backward district persons, or even the women's and the persons who are deprived of the formal education, or they don't have any kind of access to suppose any livelihood, formal livelihood, or education or health services. For them also, sir, being an administrative officer at the block level itself, they have a plethora of scheme at their disposal. If they really want to do something, they can do justice to those people.
Okay, basically you want to serve the people.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Poor people.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
People as a whole.
Oh, no, sir. Sir, if my priority of what maybe, sir, priority action will be for the poor section, but so in general service delivery, if suppose one normal person also supposed to get the service, then obviously, sir, that person will be under my that will be under my obligations to fulfill justice to him also, sir. But the priority should be for the deprived persons.
Once you join in the administrative job,
Sir.
naturally you have to be dynamic, and your activities will be multifarious.
Yes.
So you cannot only touch one aspect of administration and neglect the other.
Yes.
You cannot. Second thing, I don't think that a man with a science background,
Sir.
This science cannot help the people.
Yes.
You see, nowadays every skills you need which is science background
Yes, sir.
experts.
Yes, sir.
Whether IUC, horticulture, salmonation, whatever you do,
Yes, sir.
medical science, everything.
Yes.
There are also officers, IS officers, OS officers.
Yes, sir.
They being doctors in profession.
Yes, sir.
They are also joining IS and OS service. But what it is when I specific? What is your specific interest? Why do you think that you can help the people in what way?
So,
There are schemes.
yes, sir.
There are officers to implement it.
Yes, sir.
What spectacular? What more you can do? Whether you are really interested to serve or you want a dignified post to being officer to India or comfort other things like other officers.
No, sir, not in comfort zone. If suppose comfort was my priority, then I'm in a comfort zone already. But the other way of, like, as I said, like, sir, as you said, like all the, like being a technical person also, I have like other opportunity to solve. But here I don't have any decision making, or if I really want to do justice to a person also, I can't do at my at my will. But if the person is really supposed to get any benefit from the government, being a BDO or being a Tehsildar, that powers in the jurisdiction that allows me to do so.
Okay, you take me.
Sir.
You tell me. What should we do
Sir.
as an administrator? What should you do for the all-round socio-economic and the cultural development of the state? What is your contribution?
Yes. So, starting from the livelihood, first I will go to economic section. Those who have deprived of suppose that basic earning capacity. So first, we have skill development schemes running under the government of Odisha and government of India. So we'll try to mobilize social mobilizations and enroll them into the skill development. After that, we can we can attach them to some kind of NGOs or the self-help group to provide formal credits, so that they can be given any kind of livelihood. And finally, linking them with a market access that will provide the basic fulfillment. And along with that, there are a lot of poverty alleviation schemes that running with subsidized ration, with housing facility from the government and the central government and state government. Those can be, the targeted persons can be given with those facilities if they really deserve that. So that will fulfill the basic requirement of the persons.
Yes, marketing, other things, sale of products, for inflation, sale of the products of the tribals. That is important aspect, but that will not be your job if you join in OS.
So
there are other departments. As an OS officer, what way can help the state in developing its socio-economic and cultural structure? What is your plan? What is your idea, thinking?
So my plan
You
is,
think that in that OS job you can do all these things?
no sir, but I am not telling in a state level, but at least in a district level, or at a block level where I am being posted. So these schemes, sorry if I am wrong. So because what we have learned is lot of whatever the schemes I have told, so those are under the jurisdiction of a block development officer. If he thinks okay, if the whatever the beneficiaries that has been approved by the Gram Sabha, those can be provided with these benefits of the schemes. So if not in a larger scale, at least in a block level, suppose I am being posted in a 3 or 4 blocks, so those area I can be benefiting. And the end of the day, those benefited persons or the socio-economically strengthened persons will add on to the state.
Have you got any idea about the schemes?
Yes sir.
About the schemes implemented through blocks?
Yes sir. Some Manrega is something that is through block. Even the housing scheme, both from the Biju Pakka Ghar and our Mahatma Gandhi, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, those are also beneficiaries are from the block level only. Then finally, that National Rural Employment Livelihood Mission, that is also implemented through block level. and many more, sir. Currently, I am not able
Can
to.
you give some example of this livelihood mission? What
Yes, sir.
are they?
So, like Manrega, I told Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee. Even TRISOM is there. So, for the rural or tribal artisan, providing them training and with tools for their further use. And finally, sir, as I said, a lot of the schemes are there and people are given training, but end of the day they are not getting the market access. So, if we are able to channelize all this existing scheme itself, then it will benefit them in a more comprehensive manner.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Tell me something about your background, family background, brothers and sisters and family.
Ma'am, my father is a retired additional block education officer. My mother is a retired headmistress from middle ME school. I have one elder brother. He is currently working as a pharmacist in my district headquarter hospital. That's all.
Okay. Tell me on the incident which helped you to learn something in life.
Yes, if I'll recall my the near incident in my professional life. So just before joining Bhubaneswar, I was at Rajahmundry Airport. So once, ma'am, it was like one flight calibration was about to go. So it was something that used to happen in a periodic manner, and I was like a nodal of given a nodal officer to coordinate with all the units. So I was fine with coordinating all, but some electrical section I was unable to because of my busy schedule. I was taken as granted, okay, because I have informed over the phone. But afterwards, during the flight calibration, because some technical problem has happened, and because of that one, it caused a real issues. And finally, from the higher level, they have summoned me like, okay, why this kind of negligence has done. I have stated my points, but that day I learned one thing, because in a government sector or anything, documentation and proper information should be given. It should not be taken as granted like, okay, I have informed someone in a oral way. So that is something I have learned in the recent past. If I'll go back to my curriculum, then like it's not kind of like learning, ma'am. I'll tell like I could have done that one. Initially when I have joined for my 12th, so I have taken information technology as my optional, at the 4th optional. Then afterwards I have shifted my college from one to other. So there that IT optional teacher was not available, so I have changed to bio. Finally, sir, I was like pretty sure I'll be doing graduation in engineering from that point onwards. So sometimes I regret like, okay, if I supposed to do BTech only, then why not I would have pursued it in IT. And the repercussions I have taken, because initial year of my engineering I have suffered in this IT curriculum, whereas other friends of mine.
What is the learning? I said, don't what is the learning?
Learning in the sense, ma'am, I should have stick to my earlier decision that I have taken, because that time I was with the reference to my future decision, I have taken that, choosing that subject. So like that I am trying to say.
Okay, how can you put this learning into your coming civil service?
Yes, madam. First thing, as I said, the first incident is very much clear, like, okay, if suppose I am going to any administrative, so proper documentation along with formal coordination is very much required. And second thing is like, whatever my decision or the initial decision I am taking with all my future coordinates in place, so I should stick to that.
Okay, how will you manage with a very irritated mob?
Yes, ma'am. First thing, if the
Posted in a blog.
suppose in any incident, such incident happens, then first thing, as a video, I should go to the place with coordination with the police department. If not directly possible from my side, then I'll ask my higher officials to provide me like the police protection. Then I'll try to ask for the leaders of the mob who are representing their views, and we'll try to have a peaceful talk. We'll try to know what are the demands and what are the grievances regarding the issues. Suppose it can be like within my means to resolve there only, we'll try to do so.
Okay. Tell to traits which will help you to be a good administrator?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, madam. Just interruption.
Sir.
You want to control the mob public
No, sir.
by with your force?
No, no, sir. I am
What do
one.
you do?
No, no, sir. Not like that. Why I have asked for the force? Because just because, sir, they will be sometimes in a irritated mode. If someone wants to interfere to specify them, also they will start some kind of violence. Just to avoid that, for that sake, I am asking for the force, not to charge, lathi charge or use of the baton. Not like that. I just want to address their grievance only,
You see,
sir.
as a layman, I am
Yes,
talking, not as a interviewer. Why people disturb? Why people will go for demanding anything and go for this educational mode? We people do their work sincerely. There is no question of creating the Allah disturbance or any educational work. What I thought.
Sir, yes. Sir, there are two things. First thing, as you said, like, sir, there is a genuine cause is there, what has not been addressed. So for that, they are agitating. Second thing, sometimes it happens because some developmental work that has been delayed, now we are taking place. Because of the developmental process, some like say immediate interruption used to happen. For say, I'll quote an example. Suppose one road we are constructing, because of that for the like duration of the construction of road, people has to suffer a little because they have to traverse by some like side road or something like that, sir. In that case also, some local leaders used to motivate them, okay, let's agitate against the ruling party if they are being backed by. No, it's not a political thing, sir, because it happens in usual condition.
How would you manage the political interference?
First thing, ma'am, I'll go by the first thing, rules. Because see, ma'am, if suppose I am under the oath, like if the ruling party leader also telling something, okay, that is not supposed to be done, then we should not do that one. And they will pressurize, obviously, using different channels, even using the higher officials also. But as I am under the oath of my job, my service, then I should stick to my points. As far as PR is concerned, ma'am, I am less bothered about that PRs and all. Obviously, if I have some genuine thing and I have done some justice to my work, then obviously higher officials in the long term will not hamper any PR also.
You are in police report, you mean?
Yes, sir.
Mischievous person will never understand the language of law.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes you have to take action, that's right.
Sir.
Sometimes you have to take in her case.
Yes, sir.
But I am not supposed to tell now,
Yes.
till then I am telling you.
Yes,
But as an administrator,
sir.
he should have full confidence on the people.
Sir.
He should have good contact. Madam has taught the right aspect, like public relation. We should have good rapport with the public. We should be able to realize their difficulties, in what conditions they are living. What should be your approach? A good officer
Sir.
must cover his area within 6 months. That is the directive of government. First you must know this is my area, like Krishna advising Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita. Please keep your career here and tell me with whom I am supposed to fight, like that. So you must know your area of operation and you do your own planning. Government plan is there,
Yes.
but you have to apply your own plan.
Yes.
First,
Thank
develop
you.
a rapport establishment with the local people. How will you develop a rapport?
First, ma'am, we are supposed to, like, first thing, we need
What are
to.
the two qualities, just tell me in short, to develop a rapport with the people around you?
I'll have a first thing, quality of listening others' grievance first, rather than putting my views in front of them. And second, problem solving approach. I should have a solution for their problems.
Okay. You should have empathy for them and you should be empathetic to understand them.
Yes.
These two qualities I wanted to hear from you. Okay.
Sorry.
What were the optionals?
Home science and geography, ma'am.
Geography and optional.
Okay, madam, any more question? Because you have to
Yes, sir.
cover other items also.
Unfortunately.
You tell me, do you know anything about this Pandasya? Pandasya, do you know?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Pandasya?
yes, sir.
Fight के व्यस्त अच्छी बड़ी जगह रे. Namaskar. Can I call you? In the evening? Okay, thank you. Panjashi.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what
Yes,
is
sir.
Panjashi? It came in news.
So
What is that?
it is a province of Afghanistan. It was the last province to fall under the Taliban control. Because the reasons their Taliban government, like other government, they are telling like because of the interference of Pakistan or the support, air support they have given to the Taliban militants, so that has fall under the control of Taliban. It was the last point that is registering the Taliban interference inside Afghanistan.
What is the policy of government of India?
Regarding Taliban, sir? Regarding
What
Taliban?
is foreign policy of India?
Panchashil, sir.
Our country.
Yes, sir. Based on
As regards to Afghanistan now.
okay, sir. So first thing, we don't want to put our forces to step down onto the Afghanistan, because we have our a lot of infrastructures and strategic importance with Afghanistan. And if suppose tomorrow we know almost done that Taliban leaders has formed the Afghanistan government, we need to have a relation with them just to avoid any kind of militancy that has been supported by Pakistan or Taliban that will be taken place in our Jammu and Kashmir. So
What is the view of UNO now? Latex view?
sir, sorry sir, I have not gone through.
United Nations Organization.
Yes, sir. That latest meeting was taken place. UNSC
Are they
headed.
going to take any action on Afghanistan issue?
As of now, UN has not declared any action against the Afghanistan. And the sorry part of the recent happenings was two of the elected government representative of Taliban are under the terrorist list of this UNSC. So, seeing the recent happenings, I don't seem like UN is taking any strong action against Taliban.
You had biology.
Yes, sir.
Physics, chemistry and biology.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any idea on soil conservation?
I have.
Methods?
Yes, I have read about something in my geography. Not much, but at least something, sir. Sir, soil conservation.
What soil conservation methods are set up? Soil conservation measures are taken up in Malkangiri
Yes,
district.
sir. Yes, sir.
Must you know.
Sir, first is watershed development. We can go for integrated watershed development. There are a lot of schemes under this particular heading, that names I am not able to recall. Then afforestation schemes we are doing. Check dams we are trying to construct instead of this large concrete dams. Then agroforestation and social forestation is one more step we can take for conservation of soil. And as it is the tribal and hilly area where that slash and burn cultivation is being practiced, if we can go for counter plogging or terrace farming, so that will also going to help in the soil conservation. And whereas in irrigation technology is concerned, sir, nowadays we are taking the technologies from Israel, the drip irrigation and other
I am talking in particular.
So
In relation to Malkangiri. I
that
have special law for Malkangiri district because they are for some years. That's why.
watershed developments I have heard about, but other sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir.
The global warming और इस तरह major reason कौन?
Sir, major reason is deforestation for our industrial growth and for the settlement, whatever the deforestations we are doing, that is the first and foremost reason. Apart from that, whatever the carbon emissions taking place because of this vehicular emission and industrial and domestic activities. So those are the major cause for the global warming.
How many types of pollutions are there?
Yes, sir. Sir, air pollution, water pollution, solid waste pollution. Recently, that is trending because we are taking lot of steps for that one also. and noise pollution can be one. And inside solid waste, it can be further of say, plastic pollution, e-waste pollution, or medical waste pollution also.
But since you are a student of telecommunication,
So
some radioactive pollution is there also.
yes, sir.
What is that? Could you please explain?
Yes, sir. So radioactive pollution is we can link with the nuclear plants because of the leak of this nuclear like hazardous material for the reason of improper storage or disposal. So those kind of pollutions being taken place recently. That most eminent pollution that we have seen in the recent history is the Fukushima and Ukraine, that Chernobyl nuclear leak pollution. Sir.
Most of the people are using cell phones.
So
So the use of cell phone, is it harmful or it is responsible for the this electronic pollution, radioactive pollution?
So in the initial days, the government has not came up with any kind of regulations or the guidelines for the pollution limit of the radiation. And nowadays, government has kept some limits for the head and body radiation limits. If it is under that, then it is okay with the safety limit. But still, awareness should be there. Like we should use our telephones with a judicious manner, like while sleeping or in resting period, we should not carry those gadgets if possible. Limit I'm not able to recall. It's
Mentioning that, remember that.
yes. Okay, ma'am.
I think we had met before once.
Yes, ma'am.
2019 or 20.
Yes, last year.
Feedback, you have improved a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Concept.
लिंगराज मंदिर के एक पर
Sir, what is on going? Feedback.
ना ना
Your subject wise, you have improved a lot qualified now, and confidence level also. And only one thing I will say, just be go a little slow.
Yes.
Give a pause when you are answering.
Yes.
Okay. The rest is fine. And don't suppose someone is asking you the same question many times. Don't show your irritation.
Yes.
That is what I saw now. Okay. To be honest. So just get over that. Huh?
Okay.
The rest is fine. That's why I'm showing you that.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, वो पूछा उसने.
नहीं के कल्चर को उनका
जजाति कैसे?
मंदिर के पर
जजाति केसरी सर.
के पे इतना है
जजाति केसरी.
लिंगराज टेंपल
भूल गए सर. मतलब इधर जजाति केसरी.
ठीक है, अपन
हाँ, सर.
कोई ऑप्शन तो नहीं।
नहीं सर, कुछ सही लग पहले सर. जजाति केसरी. लिंगराज टेम्पल.
के पे निकला
Sir, 10th or 11th century, sir, exactly not able to recall.
तो अभी आइडिया वो उड़ीसा हिस्ट्री
हाँ sir, I have read during my general studies mains. During general studies mains, I have read.
No, I know that you are from I think from Andhra Pradesh,
Sir,
your background. So literally,
I have stayed there, sir, during my
so
job.
you are interested to join Odisha means you should
Yes,
try
sir.
to learn. No, about Odisha.
Yes, sir.
Culture. Unless you know it,
Yes. Yes, sir.
unless you know it, how can you know? You must know everything.
Yes, sir.
It's a history, it's a geographical
Yes.
questions, it's culture.
Yes, I will studied, sir.
Mostly
Actually,
तीनटा मंदिर है।
sir. Lingaraj, Konark,
जगन्नाथ मंदिर
sir,
है।
Konark.
कोणार्क। तारा डिटेल्स का
Sir.
Basic thing, you should know
Yes.
something about Jagannath.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.